Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is how to reset SIC key of a checkpoint gateway. So this is the gateway and this is the virtual machine which I have created on Oracle VirtualBox. So let me show you the machine I have created. So this is the machine and I am using R77.30 and I have already started this machine. So let's start the configuration part. cpconfig. So the option number 5 is for secure internal communication. Okay, so select the option 5 and now the message it is showing is, would you like to change the activation key? Yes, I want. So I'll proceed further, and next it is showing that this operation will stop the checkpoint services. So first it is going to stop the services and after then it will automatically start the services. So proceed further, and now it is asking for the key. So I am going to select a key admin and asking for confirmation. So come out from this configuration wizard, and as you can see it is stopping the services and after then it will start the services. So in this way you can reset SIC key if you are not able to remember the SIC key which you created at the time of installation. So as you can see now the machine, all the services has been started. So please do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.